Hello my foodie friends, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. Today I am super excited to be taking part in the Christmas morning breakfast challenge. This is a super fun challenge started by my friend Grandma Sandy, who also has a YouTube channel, and also she has two co-hostesses that are taking part in the challenge as well. Now I have to read their names, I'm sorry. Leona at Ebony, Ivy, and Time, and Ariella Jandrawati, who also has a cooking channel. And now I'm going to link those below where the recipe is so you can go and check out their Christmas morning breakfasts. So for my recipe today, I'm going to be making a maple brown sugar baked oatmeal. Now this is so much better than just your regular run-of-the-mill oatmeal. You can add nuts to it, you can add berries to it, you can make it in individual muffin pan little cups, or today we're just going to be making it in a pan. Now one of the best parts of this recipe is if you want to make it the night before, just the batter, you can assemble it and leave it in the fridge, and then the next day, once people are opening their presents, you can just bake it off. Or you can just make the whole thing the morning of, because it doesn't take very long. So, let's get cooking. So to get started with our recipe, we're going to need 2 eggs. And now we're just going to whisk them together. And to that, we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now you can either use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. Today I'm using dark. Next, we will be adding 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. Now give that a whisk. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Now if you don't have any maple extract, you can go ahead and substitute some extra vanilla. And now we're going to need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're going to slowly whisk in 1 1/4 cup of milk. Now this can be 1% or 2% or whole. And now for the oats. You need to use quick oats and not the old-fashioned rolled kind. And we're going to need 3 cups. Now for our last 2 ingredients, we are going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And now just give this a good mix. The batter should look like this, and now we're ready to put it in our pan. So now I've taken an 8x8 square baking pan and I sprayed it with Pam. Then I put in the batter. Now just for fun, I'm going to make a separate little muffin size version. Now at this point, you can either bake it right now, or you can put it in the fridge, take it out the next morning and bake it then. We have our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we are going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes until it's a nice golden brown. So this has been baking for 22 minutes at 350. Remember I told you it could take anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. But what you want is this nice golden brown color, and you want it to be firm. And now here's the one I made in a muffin cup. So you can make it individual servings, or you can make it in one big pan. And the nice thing about making it in muffin cups is you can individually freeze these, and then in the mornings when you're on your way to work, you can microwave it for 45 seconds and have an on-the-go breakfast. Okay you guys, you know what time it is. Time for me to give it a try. Now I like to serve mine with some fresh blackberries and raspberries, and a sprinkle of powdered sugar and a little bit of maple syrup. So let's give it a try. The reason I like this so much is because it's not mushy like regular oatmeal. It has a really nice texture to it, but you get the great flavors of the maple and the cinnamon, and it's really hearty too. So I hope you guys are going to give this a try, and don't forget to check out the other channels that are involved in this Christmas breakfast challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red bell and give it a like, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar maple baked oatmeal. Aren't you going to move the thing?
I already moved it like 3 times.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to move it again.